welcome back to my channel. So today I came up with a video of reviewing my new product, that is Philips hair dryer. I just took a shower and we'll see how it's gonna work. First we'll see the basic details of it and next we'll go into the demo. So this is Philips 1000 hair dryer. So if we see the basic details of it, so these are the basic details of it. The product model name is hairdryer BHCOC0 10x10 and it costed for $16.95. It's a good price. So in the whole box we got only these two products. First one is the hairdryer along with the wire, and the other one is one attachment. So we'll open and see it. So it is our Philips hairdryer. It's super good. Speed 1, next speed 2, then speed 3. It's hot. So what I understood is that there are three, right? This is 0, 1, 2, 3 speeds. So first one is the cool speed, like where it is very low and it's cool. Then next, the second and third are both are very like hot. Hot air coming on. So so first one is like cool, normal, very basic. Very less. Okay. Then second and third are very very fast. Actually second is enough. The second speed is quite enough for us to dry our hair, and that too big long hair. So I have dried my hair and it's fine. It's not like hard to use, and it's very easy to use, and I feel most of my hair got dried. So my review is that on 10 I'll be giving 8.5, 9 to this product because it is very compact. We can fold it into 3, like see, 1, this is a general one, then 1 and 2, so we can fold it. So it is very much comfortable to carry to different places to travel. If you're traveling and if you want to carry, this is very like comfortable to travel along with it, and it's foldable. Then we have a good attachment given here, so we can easily use it. And the speeds we have, generally we'll be having 3 speeds, and it also have 3 speeds, 1, 2, 3. And then first one is for cool air, and second and third are for heat, like hot air. So the color is also very good. If we see black, and of course it's not pink, fine. So black and pink, mostly we'll see these three colors, right? Black, pink and purple when we come to this hair dryers, and gold also in few. But this is very basic. Black is very basic color, and it's very fine. And we see Philips is also one of the best company in India. They are producing a lot of electronic things, like most of the electronic appliances are produced by Philips, so its company is very good. So more what, and yeah, if you see the price, it's just $16.95. It's very cool price, comparing to the other branded appliances. If you see Dyson, oh my god, Dyson one, it's very much like expensive, and this is like $16.95. It's a very cool price, and you can definitely go for it. So this is all about my Philips hair dryer. So if you like this video and my review, then like, share and subscribe.